Here's a great example where you're keeping the weight in through the perimeter and you're taking some weight off the top. When you take weight off the top, it builds volume. The more weight that's left, the heavier the top is. The more weight that's taken off, the lighter the top is. So that's what creates the volume. So the perimeter, we're gonna leave that in there, the foundation, and we're just literally cutting off the top. Today we're demonstrating a 90-degree finger angle. I'm pulling the hair straight 90 up from the head and cutting off finger angle 90. So elevation 90, finger angle 90, and no over direction. I'm directing it straight from where the hair comes off the head. I'm not over directing it forward or back, just straight up. So 90-degree finger angle, elevation is 90, and I'm not over directing except for as I travel on the head at this point, when I'm done cutting the center point, I'm bringing everything back to that center so that it falls longer with weight in through the corner and it's shorter off the top. And you just continue to repeat the same sectioning all the way through, and it is pie-shaped parting, so if you look at the top of the head, you're slicing a piece of pie. So as demonstrated here, I cut the back section, and at your 90-degree angle, which is where it's ear to ear, moving forward is your front section. I'm now going to connect a little bit of the front section to the back. I'll be stopping in the fringe area. If you notice right here, the fringe area is from the bevel to the corner of the eye. So I brought everything back so it fell long in through that corner. Now we're going back to the center and making our way over to the right side, repeating the exact same cutting technique. 90-degree elevation, 90-degree finger angle, and I'm over directing it back to that first section. If you look at the layers soft, they're shorter in the back and longer to the front. That was by design.